Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview leisure time pH balance. What is leisure time pH balance? Leisure time pH balance is a unique pH balancer that maintains the ideal pH level between 7.2 and 7.8. This product eliminates the need to have pH adjusted constantly, and it prevents pH drift. Also, due to its unique buffering capacity, it is not necessary to adjust the calcium level in the spa. pH balance is compatible with chlorine, bromine, ozone, and mineral purification systems. Product benefits: 1. Prevents pH drift. 2. Eliminates need to adjust pH on ongoing basis. 3. Use each time water is refilled. 4. One bottle treats up to 500 gallons of water. Usage directions. Step 1. Adjust pH and total alkalinity of freshly filled spa to proper levels. pH level, 7.2 to 7.8 parts per million. Total alkalinity level, 80 to 120 parts per million. Step 2. Add entire bottle to filled spa while the filter is running. Step 3. pH will instantly increase or decrease to a reading between the ideal range of 7.2 to 7.8. Dosage: 32 fl Oz per treatment. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.